This video explains how to use composite datasets in Analytics Builder, allowing you to reuse custom data across multiple reports, save time, and ensure consistent results. After you build an organizational structured dataset, you can add it to any report you create. You do this by using the custom dataset as a data source for a new dataset. Select Add Data and select Dataset. Then search for the dataset you would like to use. Next, you will join with the dataset. This allows the same curated logic to be applied wherever it's needed. Composite data adds context that supports more flexible analysis. It also helps stakeholders focus on the data that matters most to them. You now know how to use composite datasets in Analytics Builder to reuse custom data across multiple reports. Thank you for watching.